Okay, this is what I'm going to show you how to add pages to the regional broadcast course materials, and then I'm going to show you how to delete them. So from the Facilitator and Proctor Materials course, which you get to through the drop-down menu, you would click on Regional Broadcast Course Materials. And you'll see here that the course materials are broken down into Division of Liberal Arts, Division of Sciences, and Division of Professional and Technical Education. And what we're going to do is show you how to build a division. So departments we have, like here, anthropology and art. Then we're going to go into the instructor and then the course. So right now you can see we've got anthropology. That opens a new page. And I'm going to show you across the top how they follow down. So right now we're in Facilitator and Proctor Materials. You go to Pages, you go into Anthropology, then you'll see Anthropology 1010 for Miller. And it looks like there may not be any information for Miller. Okay, so you can click back to Pages here, or you can use the back button. Let's find somebody who might have content. Let's see. I don't know. Let's guess. Music, maybe? Nope. Well, I know we did some BCIS yesterday, so going to BCIS, that would be the department. Then the instructor, Clayton Palmer here. Then you would see syllabus, assignments, and handouts here. Okay, right now, the syllabus, if you click on nothing on the syllabus, it doesn't go anywhere, it comes back to the home page. So I'm going to show you how to add that material as we go. So click on Regional Broadcast. Takes you to where the divisions are and the departments. So the first thing you would need to do is to create a department. Okay, I'm going to create a fictitious department, and we're going to call it the Fact Center. So what we want to do is edit this page. There's a couple ways to do it. You can actually just come down here. Let's say we're going to build it under the Professional Technical Education. We can come down here and do a return and just type in fact and do save changes. And you can see now that it says fact, but it's not linked to anything. It's just black here, and the others are linked to other pages. So we need to create a page for the fact. Okay, to do that, we would come up here over on the right and create a new page. And we would call it fact. We would create it. And we're going to title this page fact. And we're going to save those changes, and we'll come back and put content in that later. Okay, so if we go back to the pages, and we're going to Regional Broadcast Course Materials, we have our fact, but we need to tie it to that page that we just created. So we would come in and do edit this page. This time we would highlight the fact. And we would come over here under these links. These are all the pages that have been created. And there's the fact here. We would highlight it. You notice as we highlighted it, it turned yellow and it became a blue underline. So we would change it, or blue text. So you would save changes. And now it's blue text. And as you hover over it, it shows it as a link. So now I could click on fact, and it brings me to a new page for fact, and I could start entering information for the fact here. Okay. An easier way to do that is actually, while you're editing this page, if you go into edit this page, you come down here, you know, you want to have your department here, we're going to call it fact 2. Under these links, so you've already got a fact, we want to create a fact 2. If you scroll all the way down, you can link to a new page. This will then create the link and the page at the same time. So if you link to a new page, it'll say, what do you want to call it? And then hit enter. See, it highlighted it, added it at the same time. So then you save changes. Now when you come down, it's not black, it's blue here. You click on it. There's a new page. This says it's been deleted because I had tried it before, but now you can edit it. Call it Fact 2. And save the changes. Now let me show you that again, because this is the easiest way to do it. You're on your regional course materials. You want to add a new department. Okay, so you have to edit this page. Find where you want to put your new department. So let's say we're doing a Fact 3. Okay, so don't type it in here, but put where you want your cursor to be. Put it where you want your cursor to be. Come over to links here. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Link to a new page. Type in the name you want. We want Fact 3. Press enter. And then save changes. Now we have a Fact 3. And it brings us to now Fact 3, the page. Okay. And we can put whatever content we want in here. So we can title it Fact 3. And save it. Now all the other pages behave the same way. So if we go back to the Facilitator and Proctor materials, and we want to add, say for example, myself as the instructor. So we go to Regional Broadcast, and we want to go into Fact. And let's say we're going to put my name here and Sherry's name here as part of the Fact Center. We can do a couple different things. Remember, we can create a new page, but the easier way to do it is to go into Edit this page, scroll down here, put my cursor where I want it first, link to a new page, put my name in here, press enter. Now, without leaving this page, I could then go down and put Sherry's name in here too. You do a return, link to another page, and put Sherry's name in here. And hit return. Now I can save the changes. What I've done is I've created a page that has a link to my name and a link to Sherry's. So then this would be my class. So I go from my name, and this is where I would post my materials. Okay? So this is my name, this is my class. So I could start typing here. Okay, now this is where I start entering my content. So then, instead of start adding more pages, this is where I start to go into files and uploading files. So I would browse my files. I don't know if you can see that on your image, but you go into, say for example, your Dropbox and find some files. Upload that. And it would show here. Now let me show you that again. So this would be, say for example, my syllabus. So this is my course page. Let me save the changes. So I've come from Regional Broadcast Course Materials. I've created a department called Fact, which is a new page. I've created a page for my name. And under my name, I'm uploading content. So all I did was go in to edit this page, put my cursor where I want it, come over to Files, upload a new file, browse, find the file I want on my computer. These are just files that are for another class. Open that file and upload it. And this is where you'll start putting all of your instructor content. So save it. So in your case, this Debbie Pearson's class is what you've created with the BCIS class. So if you go into Regional Broadcast Materials, your BCIS is just a page. It points to another page called Clayton Palmer. And then you're going to be inserting content into here. Now these, let me see these. These shouldn't be links. These should be just placeholders. I'm not sure if they are. Let's see. All right, now they are links. And I can tell that because if I hover over them, they show as links. I think they're going to be okay. So that's the difference. Is mine just said Debbie Pearson and had some folders or had some files. Yours says Clayton Palmer, and you're gonna start putting his content here. Okay. So one more review. Start at Facilitators and Proctor Materials. Go to Regional Broadcast Materials. To add a page, you can edit. Go down here. Link to a new page. You want your cursor where it needs to go. You can add the page once you've given it a title that you go into there. You can either add content here if this is as far as you want to go, or add another page. And then add your content. So it's just a nesting of pages. So if you have any questions, just let me know. If you want me to detail something more specifically, let me know. And I hope that helps a little bit. All right, thanks.